You also recently won the Outstanding Achievement and Innovation Award from Buyers Lab. What can you tell us about the solution that won that award?
That's something that we call INfuse. It leverages the system-on-a-chip architecture as well as cloud connectivity type technology to create an Internet of Things network scanning device that can scan directly into business process. The power of that connectivity into business process is something that we call bidirectional. So it allows for not only feeding scanned content into the business process, but to interrogate what was sent to that business process and feedback to the user at point of scan, either the transaction was successfully completed in its entirety, or to point out any errors or issues that require remediation, such that the transaction can be completed fully and accurately at the edge of a business process. Security is one of the number one value propositions of INfuse. Personal computers are one of the most at-risk elements of infrastructure of a company in terms of the risk of being compromised, information being compromised. Because the INfuse solution doesn't scan any information into a personal computer, nor does any of the information that was scanned reside on the device itself. There's what we call no data at rest on the device. It's one of the most secure solutions you can use. An example would be, we recently did a transaction with the National Children's Trust of Costa Rica and placed INfuse devices in more than 60 different locations around the country. And that was all with the intent of maintaining their security and having a connected workflow that allows them to drive a much more rapid, speedy result in their adoption processes. Partners are a very important part of our ecosystem generally, but with the INfuse solution, it's even more important because we're marrying our technology with their technology to deliver the full value proposition of that bidirectional connectivity. So an example of a partner relationship that we've recently delivered a solution with is UiPath, which you may recognize as an industry leader in robotic process automation. And we developed a patient onboarding solution that allows I'll call it the mid-office of a hospital, to go through the process of insurance validation, payment processing validation, connecting directly into downstream business processes, leveraging the UiPath bots to do the validation and interrogation to make sure that everything has been processed flawlessly and to feed that back to the desktop of INfuse.
Congratulations on all of this incredible work. You have much to be proud of. It's so exciting. What do you see on the horizon for Kodak Alaris and your incredible team?
Well, as I alluded to, at the moment we're focusing on helping our customers and their customers deal with the challenges of the pandemic. And it's looking like things like remote work and decentralized operations will remain more the norm. So we're helping to ensure that our solutions can help businesses be effective within those circumstances. More broadly, we live in a multimedia world, right, where paper coexists with native digital content. And more of our solutions are helping to ensure that those different sources of information can be blended into common process to fully automate an enterprise in whatever process area. And it's the combination of our scanners, our advanced capture software, and our professional services, which give us the right to be a digital on-ramp into that. And that's why we say Kodak Alaris is where digital transformation starts.